this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E motor with a standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera with a nice bed camera as well, an extended black crypt running board, side view camera with some lights, blind spot detection, and of course you do get your nice little place to plug in your vehicle. And looking at the front here real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, that nice customary LED light bar that goes across the front, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button under the lip there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads, Pro Power onboard, you can turn your lights on or off, and you do get your storage underneath as well with a nice little drain plug, which is perfect for like tailgate parties. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. We have rear vents, cup holders, outlets, and 120 volt. And of course you can lift up your seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 22 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. And look to my right here, we do get our gear select. That is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here, outlets, your center console with more storage, little little coin slot, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, more outlets on the side here, as well as storage below and above, as well as right here. And looking here, we have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation. Fave apps will show up right here, such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, charge settings, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have public charging, which will locate to your nearest public charger, settings, and your features of the vehicle, drive mode, driving assist, Pro Power onboard, access, all that jazz. And for your drive mode, you do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG17226, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.